Nduli the type of a player, and even when he was announced as a signing, that we knew that's exactly.
Suggesting this is where the national team comes from.
So because of the fixture itself, what it means to South African football, I think it's a pinnacle to see the way South African football is. And these are two teams as well that represented the country in the continental space. They played in the semi-final, so these are very, very, very two best teams.
Now, here is talent, conserve energies, stay in the box, or in the kitchen, as Mark Williams would put it. Talent Mbatha, Mbatha is on a run.
Hosting big games before, and expected to show the professionalism and get the result regardless of the permutation. You want to get into the pitch.
He's in action in the second semi-final a little later on, as Stelli's take on Kukone. And a reminder, of course, Pirates looking to defend. Such a tricky player, as Talent Mbatha is not happy with a cove.
Play full right back, and Sibilebe will go out wide because you want to exploit that speed, you want to exploit that space.
By the way, is making his third appearance of Talent Mbatha switching it up. They're looking for Apollos and nails him. We were speaking earlier. Let's have a look at this move first. Really Lunga for company. Excellently done by Divine Lunga, but still Sibilebele going to the back post over the head. Mahopa. Apollos keeps it alive. Just here, trying to pass it into the net. Did Rele Mofoke in there? Pirates. Rele Mofoke. Talent Mbatha. He can hit them from a mile.
He can indeed, and that's a good passage of play from Orlando Pirates. Expecting that in the second half to come back and force Mamelodi Sundowns to defend him with more, because they feel like they can get through it. And you've seen Mbatha striking those balls outside the box. Been given space and time, it will cause problems, but good save as well from Ronan Williams.
Lunga Ayende, the block is from Mbatha. Motiva finally playing PSL football, of course. A man who spent many years in France. He just set for him to be the hero. Attacking option that's introduced as well. Well, there's a striker option, but that makes way. Bring on the creative guile of Sipo.